Yo, what up, everybody? It's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be teaching you guys how to reset your iPhone 11 Pro. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see your phone turn off. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release your finger. This usually takes about 20 seconds. So you guys will be in and out. There you guys go. You can let go. And there you guys go. Your phone has been resetted.